Welcome to International AI News. The future is here. It's called artificial intelligence. AI is changing the way we work, live, and play, and we are only just beginning to understand its full impact. How much of our lives are already being controlled by AI, even if we don't know it? It's more than you think. It's even being used to create new forms of art and entertainment, like this video you're watching right now. The choice to ignore AI is the choice to be blind to the future. That's why it's so important to stay informed about the latest developments in AI. That's where International AI News comes in. We're the only source for the latest news, updates, tools, and productivity tips on artificial intelligence from around the world. We also strive to make our content engaging and informative. Subscribe to International AI News now and stay ahead of the curve on the future of technology. What do you think about the future of artificial intelligence? Meet me in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.